Today we're making no-egg mini cheesecake. Take a bowl and add crushed biscuits and melted butter in it. Mix it well. Now evenly distribute the filling in the cheesecake pan. Make sure to press each one down firmly into one even layer. Now refrigerate it and make filling. Add gelatin in hot water and mix it. Take a bowl and add cream cheese and sugar. Mix it using an electric mixer until smooth. Add melted white chocolate and mix it with an electric mixer. Now add cream and gelatin and mix it well. Add frozen raspberries in it and mix it well. Evenly distribute the filling in the pan. Freeze it overnight. For topping, take a bowl and add 1 cup white melted chocolate. Add oil-based powder and mix it well. Take a bowl of iced water and make different shape squiggles. Once the cheesecakes are chilled, remove them from the pan. Pipe lemon curd onto each mini cheesecake, then top with the squiggles. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!